All right, stock number 5689, 2006 Ford F250, turbo diesel, drives beautiful, a lot of power, no mechanical issues, no rust. Great for towing big boats, trailers, jet skis, new tires, LED lights, tow hitch. Back needs to clean up a bit, but we have the side flares in there. Very clean. Step bars. Clean underneath. Interior. Has some nice country looking seat covers. $156,000 miles. Start it up. Aftermarket Bluetooth radio. Super clean headliner. Has some nice additional toys. LED light. LED bar lights. Amp. Radio box. Seat covers. Start her up. Ooh. Sounds beautiful. Show you guys the engine bay. Some belt noise, but passenger side step bars. That's a great looking truck. Sounds great too. Drives even better. Highly recommend this one. These are size 5776. Good. All right. Thank you very much.